Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It seems that you are currently using my MKT Care software, or those of you using other automatic posting software are having problems with your Facebook account being locked due to verification errors, right? Today I will guide you through the feature of unlocking your account directly on the software. Please follow along. Checkpoint 282 is a fairly common error when you feel like you use it to post too much or comment too much. The problem is that MMO brothers are quite tired of this problem. This factor also depends on whether the Facebook platform's policy is strict or not, and also whether your account source is really stable or not. Here you need to prepare API capture and API rent number to perform the 282 protest operation. MKT Care software helps you solve all these problems.